Hi viewers, welcome to our channel with another video. In this video we will open another Hot Wheels from Fast and Furious franchise. Not one, but two.
There are two.
Honda S2000, featured in Too Fast Too Furious. First one, we look at the car from Hot Wheels Walmart exclusive release. 2016 Fast and Furious series. And the next one is from Hot Wheels Premium Series. Quick Shifters Assortment. Now let's open, and let them loose. That's all for now. Please like and subscribe. Click link to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.